In this video, we're diving into how to use Oyster for international payroll taxation and why this software could be a game changer for your global payroll management needs. Whether you're a startup, growing business, or an established company, Oyster makes handling international payroll simple. And in this quick guide, we'll break down exactly how to use it to streamline your tax processes and stay compliant. Before we dive in, I've got a special offer for you. You can use Oyster completely for free through the first link below, along with some exclusive bonuses that will help you maximize the value of this powerful tool. Stick around until the end, and I'll explain exactly how you can take advantage of this offer. Oyster is a comprehensive global employment platform designed to manage payroll, benefits, and compliance for businesses hiring internationally. It allows you to employ people in over 180 countries without needing to establish a legal entity in those regions, which simplifies international payroll tax calculations and ensures you're always compliant with local regulations. When it comes to international payroll taxation, Oyster automatically calculates local taxes based on the employee's location. This means no more manual calculations and worrying about varying tax rates in different countries. Oyster has a robust system that considers tax deductions, local benefits, and even social security payments, so you don't have to track everything yourself. The platform supports multiple currencies, which is essential when paying employees in different countries. It also integrates with a variety of accounting and financial tools, making it easy to keep your financials in sync. This integration is key for businesses scaling globally because it reduces the chance for errors and minimizes the need for extra steps. The tax calculations in Oyster are designed to be accurate and up to date with the latest local regulations, which is incredibly important for businesses operating across multiple jurisdictions. For example, if you're paying employees in countries like Canada, the UK, or Australia, you don't have to worry about navigating complex tax codes yourself. Oyster takes care of all that, saving you hours of manual work and reducing the risk of tax compliance issues. Another benefit of using Oyster is that it allows you to issue local contracts, ensuring you meet the legal requirements in the employee's country. This is crucial for international payroll taxation because each country has different labor laws and you need to ensure compliance to avoid fines or legal issues down the line. Oyster makes this process seamless by offering customized contracts based on local requirements. If you're worried about how to manage payroll taxes for remote workers or contractors, Oyster has a solution for that too. With its flexible platform, you can easily manage both full-time employees and contractors in different countries, making it a one-stop solution for international payroll. The platform also provides detailed reporting features, allowing you to track and review payroll taxes for each employee, so you can maintain transparency and make adjustments when needed. This level of control gives you the confidence to handle global payroll taxation without needing an in-house expert for every country. By now, you should have a good understanding of how Oyster works for international payroll taxation and why it's one of the best tools on the market for simplifying this complex task. Remember, you can try Oyster for free with our exclusive extended trial and see for yourself how easy it makes managing payroll taxes internationally. If you're ready to simplify your payroll and ensure compliance, click the link below to get started with Oyster and unlock some exclusive bonuses. Don't miss out on this opportunity to streamline your global payroll process with one of the most efficient platforms available today.